Let's check question number 5. It states that three girls, Reshma, Salma and Mandeep, are playing a game by standing on a circle of radius 5 meters drawn in a park. Reshma throws a ball to Salma, Salma to Mandeep, Mandeep to Reshma. If the distance between Reshma and Salma and between Salma and Mandeep is 6 meters each, what is the distance between Reshma and Mandeep? So let's figure out the given statement at first. So this is a circle C with center at O and radius 5 meters. And these are the position of Reshma, Salma and Mandeep. We have represented better by using letter R for Reshma, S for Salma and M for Mandeep. Along with all this, we are giving the distances between Reshma, Salma and Salma and Mandeep. And these distances are equal to each other and each measures 6 meters. So this R is equal to MS as each measures 6 meters. For all this, we have to calculate the distance between Reshma and Mandeep. So this distance Rm we have to calculate here. So let's check how this Rm could be determined. In order to calculate this Rm, we draw a perpendicular from S to the opposite side Rm. And here this RSN is an equilateral triangle. So obviously this perpendicular would bisect the third side Rn. So this perpendicular drawn from S to the chord Rn is bisecting it at M. And we know that the perpendicular bisector of a chord passes through the center always. So obviously this SN would pass to the center of circle. After this, we join center O to extremes of Rn. And this Sn is the perpendicular bisector of Rn. So here let ON be extreme. So it implies that this Sn will be OS minus ON, where OS is radius of circle 5 meters. So it is 5 minus ON. ON is X. And let this Rn be Y. So here in figure you could observe that we have two like triangles which are better to observe, RNS and RNO. So let's observe this right triangle RNS at first. So in right triangle RNS, using Pythagoras theorem, we have this RS square equals to RN square plus NS square, where RS is 6 meter. So it is 6 square equals to Rn. This Rn equals to y. So it is y square plus ns square, and ns is 5 minus x. So it is 5 minus x square. Let's calculate y square. So this y square becomes 6 square 36, and this plus 5 minus x whole square on other side becomes minus 5 minus x whole square. Let this be equation first. Now we observe the second right triangle R and O. So in triangle R and O, using Pythagoras theorem, we have OR square equals to ON square plus RN square. Where OR is the radius of circle, so this equals to 5 meter. So it is 5 square equals to ON square, and this ON we considered it earlier x. So it is x square plus Rn square, and this Rn equals to y. So it is y square. So that y square becomes 5 square 25, and x square along with 25 becomes minus x square. Let this be equation 2. From equation first and 2, we could observe that these are the values of y square. So from equation first and second, we could equate their right hand sides. So it is 36 minus 5 minus x whole square equals to 25 minus x square. Let's simplify this. So it is 36 minus 5 minus x whole square. It becomes 25 plus x square minus 10x equals to 25 minus x square. So it is 36 minus 25 minus x square plus 10x equals to 25 minus x square. Minus x square minus x square. These are eliminated. So this plus 10x equals to 25, and plus 36 minus 25. On other side it becomes plus 25 minus 36. 25 plus 25, it is 50 minus 36. So this 10x equals to 14. Hence x becomes 14 upon 10. It is 1.4 meter. And here, in order to calculate Rn, we have to calculate double of y actually. Double of y actually. And for all this, let's calculate y at first. So we use this x equals to 1.4 meter in either of these two equations. So let's use x equal to 1.4 in equation second. So on using x equals to 1.4 in equation second, we get this y square equals to 25 minus x square. So it is the square of 1.4. This equals to 25 minus 1.96. So that y square equals to 23.04. So that y equals to under root 23.04. Let's calculate this square root using division method. 23.04. Let's introduce a pair of zeros after this. Start clearing from right range. So the whole part is 23 and we must choose such a number whose square is less than of 23. So better to choose 4. The same 4 is taken here and it is added to itself as well. So it is 4 4s are 16. 4 plus 4 is 8 and on subtraction it becomes 23 minus 16. 7. Next way we have to place it 0 4. But before of this decimal point is here, so that decimal point we have to note along with 4. Now we have to choose such a digit which is as taken along with 8 should form a number as it is multiplied by the same digit. It must produce a product either 704 or less than of it. So better to choose 8. The same 8 we take here and the number formed is 88. This 88 we have to multiply by 8. So it is 8 8s are 64. 6 is carried, 8 8s are 64 plus 6 is 70. And 8 gets cancelled. So that the square root of 23.04 becomes 4.8. So that value of y becomes 4.8 meter. And we know that this Rn equals to y plus y. First, the distance between Reshma and Mandeep, which is 2y actually, it is found 2 into 4.8. This is 9.6 meter exactly. That's the required answer.